Good morning from snowy Massachusetts. I'm doing something a little different today. Hatch Asphalt Management has asked me to go to Ashland and cover their snow removal operations for the MBTA. Plan is we'll do some still photography, some video, and some drone work out there. This was planned to be like a 12-inch storm. Now, like 6 inches, but still it's more than we've had in the past couple of years. So anyway, stay tuned, and we'll see how the images and video come out later on in the day. Okay, so we're about a half mile away from the MBTA. Definitely a lot less snow in Ashland than there was when I left Central Mass. Hopefully it picks up a little more. At least the timeline of the storm showed 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock was supposed to be pretty heavy. So hopefully we can get some good footage. Just pulling in now. Trying to figure out where to park. I see one of the pickups. There's the sign.
Turn right into the parking lot, then the destination is on your left.
Looks like everything in Boston's been called off because there is nobody here. So we're just finishing up here. Not a huge, wasn't the blizzard of 78 by any stretch of the imagination, but still got some good footage of the loader. Got some drone video, got some still shots. The train was elusive every time it came through. I got the drone lens was just covered with snow, but pretty hard to avoid that on a day like today. But all in all, I think we got some good footage. Hope the client's happy, and let's go do some editing and get the images delivered.